go. Go. Okay, go run. Go. I guess we go to the airplane.
Mo, anhe daw siya. Hindi sakay ka. Talinga mo. Dili pa siya kabalmaan bang atin.
Hurry, we need to hurry up.
Kabalo na siya mo. Kung ano
Is
sinindo.
everyone singing? Nope. I guess they are so dami 1 IQ brain.
Ha? Nakonfuse siya ang sa una pag
Toy. Ano, dali. O, siya naman lagi ng sud-sud.
We have to clear our way. Any kay one hit?
Machine gun na ka? Diniya ba?
Iyo kuya kay naidaghan siya.
Naman sila zombified piglins.
Isa lang kalulo kay niya.
Ang kalot mo na. Ano mo ni Zoid? Di kuya kayo. Kalot sa head. Kalot sa head. Kalot mo na Zoid.
Kaante mana kalot niya sa iyong likod. Kalot mo.
Kalot sa head. Kalot sa head.
Just take a chill pill.
Gusto mo na, guy.
I'm so confusing. Iba siningon siya. It's so confusing. That's confusing.
Hurry, run!
Ang kahajam.
Kailangan ako umuado sa pinakataas na building without getting harmed. 3 minutes pa ako. Ayaw na. I don't need phones. Let's go to the airplane! Do you think I'm dumb?
Yeah, back levitation is not aggression.
What is this
Good mamba. Safe landing na.
Sunod.
Hala.
Safe kayo. Let's go to the highest building. Go, hurry up.
Do you know what he calls about it, guys? It's 888.
No, it's just 8,000.
Okay, it's 8,000.
Go to the highest building.
And then he will jump. He jumps.
Okay. 5 minutes and we get to
jump, guys. See you later.
Do you think I'm gonna actually jump? Bro, is this a staircase? Okay, let's go there. Actually, not. Let's go just back. Yeah, I'll just fall down. Ito na. Ayaw man na.
Bye, guys.